you are doing valuation of a company which has got 2-3 subsidiaries.
Yeah.
Your question is, if I have to do the valuation of this company, do I have to bother about these subsidiary companies also? And the answer is, Anil, yes. And why the answer
Yeah.
is yes? The value of this company which you are doing valuation of cannot be independent of the
Yeah.
value of its investment into the subsidiaries. The only thing is, impact of the investment in the subsidiaries will not come in the financial projections of this company,
Okay.
will not come into the financial. So DCF, what you will do for this main company, holding company, DCF of the holding company will be based on the operations of the holding company only.
Yeah.
Once you arrive the value, as you would remember, you will need to make adjustment. That
Okay.
means independently you would have done the valuation of the 3 subsidiaries also, in the same
Okay.
way as you would do the valuation of the main holding company. And depending on how much is the investment of the holding company in the subsidiary company,
Hmm.
you will make adjustment of investment value in the subsidiaries to your DCF calculation of the holding company.
So while making the valuation of the subsidiary company, again I have to follow the DCF for those companies.
You tell me what will you do? How will you do?
No, that is because I don't have any option. I have to do the by DCF method only. But sir, in that 50 hour class, this question was raised, and one of the teacher was saying that since you are doing for the holding company, no need to do for the subsidiary company.
Yeah, but the see, whatever somebody may have given the answer, uh, I'm not the right person to comment on that answer. But think about it. Think about it. If I ignore the value of my investment into 3 subsidiaries,
Mm-hmm.
will I be coming at the right valuation of this company, or will I be coming at the wrong valuation of this company? So that is the question that you need to answer, and you will get the answer. So you
No,
tell me,
but
if
if I'm arriving at the value of equity share of my parent company, then if I'm holding say 100 shares in another company, so that value will not also take into consideration the fact. Achha, you are saying that because that subsidiary is also having operations and they will also be having some
exactly,
cash flows.
exactly,
Okay, okay.
exactly,
Got it,
exactly.
sir.
Yep,
Got it,
got
got it.
it. Okay,
Thanks.
good, good, good.